So now in second part, we will see that what are some features which are with campus-wide license, right? So the agenda for this second part, that we'll see some MathWorks and MATLAB overview. We'll see some, the overview, what is MathWorks and, the MATLAB is, difference between this, right? So we'll further see this, the MATLAB campus-wide license complete architecture and its benefits, right? And different licenses which are associated with campus-wide license, right? So MathWorks today, right? So, we firmly believe that, and more than ever, the current time that endorse the facts that we need to be ever ready for change. Okay, as we see, as we know that Industry 4.0 has indeed a huge change in the way of the technologies, right? So hence, for this, the kinds of skills which are needed into the workforce, or when we are, only, extracting some skills profile in India, the need to bring in transformational change in our educational system cannot be emphasized more, right? So I'm sure as experienced educators, or you all understand this, and it has been your, constant endeavor to enrich the engineering curriculum. So to inculcate important skills like computational thinking in some, the faculties, or the students, or the new the beginners of MATLAB, right? So deeply rooted in education, the MATLAB is deeply rooted in education system, right? Apart from this company's environment, right? So I'm very excited to talk you today about the MathWorks and its products. So MathWorks is a, leading developer of mathematical computing software. So as we discussed earlier that, MathWorks is a, the creator of this MATLAB software, and its complete journey, that how it is created, how it is established it. Okay, so millions of engineers and scientists worldwide use MATLAB and Simulink. Okay, so in fact there are over 4 million users of MathWorks products in different, we can say that 185 countries. So this software is used in over 15 industries. We can go from the, aerospace and automotive, or we can say like biotech, energy productions, some financial services, medical devices, railway systems, or we can say in fact all the top automotive and aerospace companies use MathWorks products. So this software is used to design and simulate, and we can test many of the products. So we rely on every days of thinking, right? So the car you drive, the plane you will fly, for your next big trip, the smartphone you can live without, even your washing machine also. So India is a key geography for MathWorks, with huge focus and investment which has happened in last few years, right? So MATLAB is one of the fastest growing skills on LinkedIn profiles at the top of the company. So if you talk about the why MATLAB we use, so it enables the engineers and scientists to do some artificial intelligence things, right? It can also integrate some artificial intelligence into end-to-end engineering design into the, the problems. Or we can also, MATLAB also use the same universities for educations. Okay, and MathWorks is a trusted partner and a strong user community for, different universities, or we can say the different startups things. Okay, if you just go that, the top companies, we talk about this. Okay, so the LinkedIn recommends you that, so MATLAB should be, this is the essential skill that students, or the researchers should be learn. So the platform product, right? So the people that, we can say like MATLAB and Simulink is a two main platform or main products which available on MathWorks product family, right? So this is that. So this is MATLAB. We what happens here? This is a complete line based or coding based thing. So complete, the line based environment or coding environment happened here. So you have to complete do the programming here. Also with some apps, so you can complete your work also. Here you can say in Simulink, so this is the simulation environment. So using some equation, mathematical equations, you can create a subsystem or project. So according, apart from this, you can create some C code from that subsystem, or the model, or you can directly deploy it on hardware. Okay.
MATLAB is a language and interactive environment for developing algorithms, analyzing
So
and
let me,
visualizing
yeah.
data, and performing numerical computation. You can import data into MATLAB from
So that we
files.
have seen that how we can import our data into the MATLAB using this import tool app.